Welcome back to Vision Auto Garage. I am very excited because today the shell gets media blasted. Faced with the challenge of transporting a bare shell, I asked around for some options and was referred to Profiblast, a local mobile media blasting company that have prepared Alfa Romeo shells for a good friend. Flip-flops and shorts seem to be acceptable attire, so I assume that one gets used to the sting. Profiblast are using a superfine crust glass media which is far less abrasive than I'd imagined. Wielded with care and finesse, paint removal seemed effortless, if a little slow. Media doesn't work so well against underseal and filler, and this car was covered in it. The whole process took almost 10 hours, but that did include a couple of issues with their compressor. I severely underestimated the mess this process makes, and next time I'd be taking advantage of Profiblast's workshop facilities. The noise is almost deafening, and even inside the garage I spent the day wearing ear defenders and a dust mask. With the blasting complete and the body back in the garage, it didn't take much looking to see the full extent of poor repairs and corrosion on this little car. Before I cover the car in wash primer, there's a couple of areas that need a bit more attention. The media blasting wasn't quite as effective on underseal, which made it take a little bit longer, so there are a few areas we've skipped over and I'm going to touch up now with a wire wheel. Having a good look over the car, I've decided not to wash prime it just yet. There's still a few things I want to sort on the underside, like dressing back the welds that I did from the top side. And I think if I prime it now, I'm only going to end up scrubbing that all off to fix the areas I want to address. I don't think there's any danger of the car rusting while it's in the workshop, unless the weather changes drastically. So for now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Please check out my Facebook and Instagram accounts on the links below for more photos and information on any of the projects.